I've been pushing away everybody I love. I don't know what to do, need a sign from above. I just want to be somebody who knows how to behave, but I'm not even.
Good day and welcome to our journey. Now our destination is going to Al-Roda and Tahlian Walkway. This street is Al Nada Street, so we will see this number one walkway here in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. So join with us.
Cause there's nobody left. I need someone to talk to, get this pain on my chest. All the bad things I've done and the people I've hurt. Wanna take that part of me and leave it in the dirt. Won't you save, 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 save me? Won't you save, 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 save me? Won't you save, 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 save me? Oh, save me, save, save me. Oh, I've been trapped in this darkness for far too long now. Wanna tear down the curtains, let the sun shine in. Oh, I've been seeking forgiveness, cause I know I was wrong. Oh, I'm running out of time, I have to stay strong.
So we are here now in Qaladia proper, and in front of us will be the water tower of Saudi City. This is the compound of Saudi Arabia Airlines. Now the time is 9:11 in the morning, but because it is Ramadan, that's why the end of the duties will be late. So we will continue this street until we reach the Medina Highway, and we will turn to southbound going to Tahlian Walkway. So come on.
Bathing in the light that you share, you're like the sun. Who am I to think how it be if you were mine? I've been walking with my shades on for so long, I can't seem to get them.
Now at Al-Roda and Al-Metiri Street, in the right side you can find the Al-Roda Park. We have a video of that place before. I will put the guards up. So that is the corner of the Hell Street. They go to the right, and we will continue this Prince Saud Faisal Street until we reach the Medina Road.
sharing all your secrets with me. 'Cause ooh, how I fell in love, couldn't see it coming, blessed in my stereo. I can feel it coming, you on my radio. All I'm hearing is a song.
There is strong wind opposite in our direction, but the good thing is keeping our body cool also in this very hot temperatures. So we are approaching this bridge of Medina Road, and we will turn right to continue to Tahlian Walkway in Al Nahda Street. Come on. We are here in this area, and we will turn right. So this is the Tahlian Walkway here in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Welcome to Jeddah Tahlian Walkway, and this street is the Al Nahda Street, and that one will be the Sarawat International. So join with us. We will travel in this walkway this day. So let's go.
Watching me steady, I know, wondering why I'm so hollow. You're showing me all of your best, while I'm giving you what I got left. I got concrete walls, got concrete walls. Hold me tight, don't let go, but I don't think I'm ready for love. No, I've tried to let go, but I don't think I'm ready for love. But I need you, need you, oh you.
Today this is very clear, and nobody is walking due to Ramadan time. But night time in this area, many people will go to their exercise.
You say I got nothing to lose, but baby, I know how it goes. And right now I feel it in my bones that I gotta go on my own. I got concrete walls,
So this is the end of this area, and we can find out also here some exercise equipment. And the good thing, this is all free. You can do exercise in this equipment. It is the privilege of the tourists, residents, and the citizen of this country.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. And
So this is the end of the Tahlian Street, and we will show you now how to exercise and their equipment.
I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, no you matter what. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what, told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me, it's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck, country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold hearted, now I'm backed up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car to get tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up, told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what, told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me, it's not adding up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what, told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me, it's not adding up. Like I work in finance, God bless, no, this not by chance. Don't doubt me, you're not my man. Don't at me, you're not my man. Mama said don't buy it if you cannot buy it twice. I cop by the tools and I don't pump fake with the price. Always on the grind, I put in work with all my might. I know that he got me now by sight. Yeah, 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 yeah. I skirt I vanish, I slide out Lansdish, V12 engine, all black like that. Sit 4 days, that's for sure though. Running from the grip, no shame, take a photo. Time to take a trip, we head north to the border. Say you filling up, I'm my favorite type of hoarder. I got kids to feed, I got enemies, I got guys give, so they envy me. Got some friends out in Memphis like I'm Aubrey. Got some friends fought for orange like some autumn leaves. Yeah, 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 yeah.
So this is very good and a good privilege equipment here in the end of Tahlian Pass. So thank you once again for watching our video this day, and bye bye.
Yeah, 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 yeah. I skirt, I vanish, I slide out Lansdish, V12 engine, all black like Batman, all black